Good morning. Okay, how are you today? Very good. You're doing great. Okay, today let's talk about sound. Everybody say sound. Very good. Can you spell sound? Together, S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Okay, what do you mean by sound? Sound is a form of energy that travels in waves. Boom! Can you hear that? That is an example of sound. We hear it. Okay. Okay, we have two kinds of sound. The first one is artificial sound. Everybody say artificial sound. Again, one more time. Artificial sound. Okay, can you spell artificial sound? Okay, together. ARTIFICIALSOUND. Artificial sound. What do you mean by artificial sound? Okay, artificial sound produced by man, not occurring naturally. Example. Can you see it? Okay, that is an example of artificial sound. Okay, what is the sound of construction site? It's so noisy. Okay, that is an example of artificial sound. Okay, how about natural sound? Everybody say natural sound. Can we spell natural sound? Very good. Okay, together. NATURALSOUND. Natural sound. What do you mean by natural sound? Okay, sounds you hear in nature. Example. In the picture, we have ocean waves. Okay, what is the sound of ocean waves? Shh, shh. If you go in the beach, you can hear it. Shh, shh. Okay, that is an example of natural sound. Very good. Okay, our sentence structure for today is it a natural or artificial sound? The answer, it's blank. Okay, we have here vocabulary to learn. Our first vocabulary is, everybody say, thunder. Everybody say, thunder. Very good. Everybody, let's spell thunder. 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 Okay, can you hear? Okay, that is a thunder. Okay, can you hear it again? It's like that, I think. Okay, thunder. Okay, thunder is a natural or artificial? Okay, it's natural sound. Again, it's natural sound. Thunder is natural sound. Okay, next we have alarm clock. Everybody, alarm clock. Can you spell alarm clock? Okay, together. ALARMCLOCK. Okay, alarm clock. Every morning we hear it. Ding, 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 ding. It's so noisy. Okay? Again, what's that? Alarm clock. Okay, alarm clock is it natural or artificial sound? Very good. Everybody, artificial sound. Alarm clock is artificial sound. Very good. Okay, next we have here. Okay, very good. Radio. Everybody say radio. Can you spell radio? Together. R-A-D-I-O. Radio. Okay, in the radio, what can you hear? You can hear your favorite music. Very good. Okay, radio is an example of, is it natural or artificial? Okay, the answer is artificial. Okay, artificial sound. Okay, How about beep, 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 beep? Car horn. Everybody say car horn. Can we spell car horn? C-A-R-H-O-R-N. Okay, a car horn. Can you hear a car horn outside? It's so noisy when they beep, 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 beep. Okay, that is an example of artificial sound. Again, artificial sound. Very good. Okay. Oh. Okay, a while ago we talked about ocean waves. Ocean waves is an artificial or natural sound? Very good. Natural sound. Okay, next we have television. Everybody, television. Can we spell television together? Television. Television. Okay, when you watch in the television, you can hear people talking or people singing. Okay, television is an example of artificial sound. Again, artificial sound. Very good. Okay, how about bird? Okay, everybody say bird. Okay, everybody spell bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Okay, what is the sound of the bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay. Bird is an example of natural sound. Again, bird is an example of natural sound. Okay, what's that? That is a sound of a wind. Everybody do it. Okay, that is a sound of the wind. Okay, can we spell wind? Together. W-I-N-D, wind. Okay, wind is an example of natural sound. Oh, how about humans? Everybody say humans. Okay, example of humans is us. When we talk, that is an example of artificial sound. Artificial sound. Humans are talking, talk, 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 talk. Okay, that is an artificial sound. Okay, can you spell humans together? H-U-M-A-N-S. Humans. Very good. Next we have piano. Next we have piano. Okay, everybody spell piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Okay. Piano is an example of, very good, artificial sound. Okay, how about construction site? Okay, construction site is example of artificial sound. Very good. Okay, we have here exercises to answer. Okay, artificial sound or natural sound. Okay, look at the picture. The lady is using hair blower. Is it artificial sound or natural sound? Okay, the answer is artificial sound. Okay, how about alarm clock? Is it a natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. The answer is artificial sound. Next, how about thunder? Okay, thunder. Is it natural or artificial sound? Very good. It is a natural sound. How about the bird singing? Tweet, 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 tweet. Is it natural or artificial sound? It's natural sound. Very good. Next, we have television. Is it natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. It's artificial sound. How about Wind. Is it a natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. It's natural sound. How about beep, 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 beep? Is it natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. Artificial sound. How about piano? Is it natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. It's artificial sound. How about shh, shh? Okay, ocean waves. Is it natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. It's natural sound. How about the construction site? Okay. Is it natural sound or artificial sound? Very good. It's artificial sound. Okay. We have here worksheets for you to answer. You're going to sort things natural and artificial sound. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and keep safe.